Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing for free. This is a step-by-step guide, so let's dive right in. If you're relatively new to affiliate marketing, there's one or two things you can do to get started. You can check out our other video on Under Armour affiliate marketing, the link of which is down below, or you can sign up to a website called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is for affiliate marketers. You can sign up to this, and they have loads of partnerships with loads of different companies who are looking to extend to affiliate marketing. I'll just run you through quickly how to sign up. If you just come on to ClickBank, and it'll ask you a bunch of questions. Let's customize your ClickBank experience. Let's say I want to promote via affiliate marketing. Awesome, let's get started. You just click through here. Sounds good to me. Do you have experience promoting as an affiliate? No, I'm just getting started. Let's say we're relatively new. We want to earn extra income. Do you currently have traffic or audience to promote to? Not yet. We'll get that. How do you plan on generating traffic? So we're going to create a website today. We're going to create a landing page to generate traffic. Just click through in that. Select all of the ClickBank tools you would be interested in using. So we want all of these. We're eventually going to be the best affiliate marketer out there. So click all of these options. How did you hear about ClickBank? Recommended. Last question, what email address would you like to use for your new account? So you just sign up with your email address. They'll show you this video if you want to get started. It's quite good. Within a couple of days, ClickBank will get back to you and you can set up your profile from there. It's a great way to do affiliate marketing. Let's move on. So this is how we create a landing page for affiliate marketing. So what we want to come to is Google Sites, which is sites.google.com. You'll see here they have all sorts of options. So we're going to click blank page because we're going to start from the beginning. Here you can see your page title. This is fully editable, so you can write whatever you want in here. Let's say we're doing affiliate work for Under Armour. Let's put Under Armour. You can change the font. You can make it bold. You can make it italic. You can customize this however you want. Let's put Comic Sans because it's fun. And change the size of this, bold, italic, underlined, change the color. You can put emojis in there. You can put links in there. You can recenter it. Now you want your title to stand out ideally because people come to your page. This is the first thing they're going to see and it's the first thing they're going to interact with. You want it to look good. So we can also add an image here. Let's make it look better. When it comes to looking for images, I always use pexels.com. You've got royalty-free images here in this website. You can use any of them legally on your site. So let's put in sporty and look through. As you can see, there's loads of images here. Let's select this one. If you're feeling generous, you want to give back to the community, hit donate, give these guys money. Otherwise, you don't need to worry about it. Just download the image. Let's go back to Google Sites. Click image in the drop-down box. Let's get it off our Mac, our computer. And there you can see it uploads directly. It also alters the image and the title to make it a little bit darker, a little bit easier to see with your title. You can reposition this by clicking Anchor Image. So let's get it to the right spot. Yeah, that's good. Up here, you can put the name of your website, just so people know where they're at. And you can put a little logo here. So let's see. You can do it on Favicon if you use Favicon, but I'm just going to upload directly from my computer. This is my own personal logo, but let's use it for this video. Great, that looks good with the logo. With these banners, you can also change the size of them. You can make a large banner, you can make a regular banner, you can have title only. You can make it a cover page. The cover looks great, but I'm going to stick with banner for this video. Over the right-hand side here, you can create text box. So if you need to put some information about the product or what it is you're doing, if you want to write a blog, this is fully alterable. Your fonts, the size of the box. Let's just pull this in a little bit closer. Under Armour blah blah is fine. So that's your text box. You can also add images here. Now what I'm going to do is let's say we're using Under Armour affiliate program. I want to use some of their imagery. So let's go to their website. And we'll just pick up their landing page. We'll screenshot this. Command-Shift-4 on a Mac if you want to create a selection screenshot, because we're going to use this image as a button. So people will click through to the website, they'll get our affiliate link, they'll buy the product, and we'll get commission. So let's pull it across to our landing page. We'll just resize that a little bit. Cool, that looks good to me, just about there. And what we want to do now is add a URL to this image. So when people click it, it takes them where we want them to go. Now, coming back to what I said earlier about joining ClickBank, the reason I recommended that is because it's an affiliate marketing network that generates your URLs for you. So once we come back to ClickBank, once we're fully registered, our links will be there. So we want to go into ClickBank, copy our link, so we can upload it to this button. We've got crop, we've got duplicate, but we want to insert a link. So let's click the link button. Let's just call this affiliatelink.co.uk. You would be putting your ClickBank link in here, or your our affiliate link, whatever directs to your page to get commission is where you would put this link. All right. Now that we have this clickable image, we also want to put a button. So over the right-hand side, you've got loads of options. Work through these, see what works for you. But we're just going to select button at the moment. Let's call it Buy Now. And then we'll put our link here as well. Again, the same link that you'll be using for the image. The link. Great. Here we can change the way it looks. We can make it outline, we can make it text. But I'm going to keep it filled because it looks better. You can change the style. We've got set styles here. You can duplicate. But that looks good to me. I'm happy with this. I don't want to resize it. All right, obviously with your page, you'll be doing a little bit more work, but I'm happy now. So I'll show you how to publish it. If you come up to the right-hand corner here and select Publish, and then you put your website name in here. So this will show you, this will show as sites.google/view/ your website. You can also have your own domain name. This is a few extra steps. Highly recommended if you want to have your own personalized website. Come in here, select Manage. You can still use Google Sites to create it, and then you've got your own domain name as well, which is going to make it easier for people searching you. Then you can come to this drop-down menu at the Publish button and view your published website. And there we have it. There's our website. It all looks good. I'm happy. It's got the links to my affiliate site, so I can make money when purchases are made, and I can make commission. Google Sites is a great facility. Create a free landing page. It's quick, it's easy, it's fast. So check it out, try it out. Also check out our other videos where I'm showing you how to create money from the affiliate program from Under Armour. Link for that is down below. Thanks again for your time, guys, and I'll see you soon.